crazy, guys. Here we go to the crazy river. Oh, too strong. You see what's outside, guys. Get best view from my window. There's a rainbow by Emily the Unicorn back there. Guys, comment if you see something weird in the sky. Did you see how crazy that was? Oh yeah, guys.